Students, you know the full form of LCM is least common multiple, and there are two methods for finding LCM. First is prime factorization method, and the second one is division method. Let's start firstly prime factorization method. Students, your exercise 3.5 is based on finding LCM by the prime factorization method. So I will take a statement 72, 90 for finding the LCM. Firstly, find the factors of 72 and 90 separately. 72, here one's place result is 2, so it will be divisible by 2. 2, 36. 36 is also divisible by 2. 18, now 18 is also divisible by 2. 9, now 9 is not divisible by 2. So next 3 will come, 3 3s are 9. Here, for finding the factors of 90, firstly start from 2, because here one's place result is 0, even, so 90 will be divisible by 2. 45, now it is not divisible by 2. Now go to the next number, 3, 15, again 5, 5 ones are 5. So now write the factors of 72 and 90. Factors of 72 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. And the factors of 90 are 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. Students, remember this step that I am going to write here. For finding the least common multiple, firstly change the factors into their exponential form, means change into their power. Here how many times 2 is there? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. So 2 write as 2 power 3. Then how many times 2 is here? 2 times. 3 is here. 2 times. 1, 3, and this is second 3. So write in the exponential form 3 power 2. Here first factor is 2, but 2 is only one time, so 2 power 1. And here 3 is 2 times, so write 3 power 2. And 5 is only one time, 5 power 1. Students, for writing the LCM, select the highest common, highest power of the, or highest exponent of the all factors. Factors are 2, 3 and 5. No any other number is here, only 2, 3 and 5 factors are, but select their highest power. Here 2 is 3 times and here 2 is 1 time. So remember, for finding the least common multiple, this is opposite. For finding the least common multiple, select the highest power, 2 power 3. Next factor is 3, and here also 3 power 2, here is also 3 power 2, so take any 3 power 2. Next factor is 5. Now multiply all the numbers. Open this exponential form. 2 is 3 times, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. So multiply all the numbers. After multiply you will get the answer 360. This is your answer. So the LCM of 72 and 90 is 360. The least common multiple of 72 and 90 is 360. Now we will apply the next method, division method. That is called division method for finding LCM. I will take a statement from exercise 3.5. 72, 90 and 48 and find their LCM by the division method. Students, by the division method, take all the numbers together, 48, and find the least common factor between 72, 90 and 48. You know, these all the numbers are divisible by 2 because here on the one space digit is 2 even number, this is also even number, this is also even number, so divide by 2 first. 36, here is 45, here is 24. Now these two numbers are divisible by 2, but 45 is not divisible by 2, so write it as it is and divide the other numbers by 2. Here is 18, here after dividing 24 with 2, you will get answer 12 and 45 write as it is. Next, again these two numbers are divisible by 2, but 45 is not divisible by 2. So here is 9, 45 write as it is, then 6. Now these numbers will be divisible by 3. Now move to the next factor. 3 3s are 9, then 3 2s are 6 and 15 3s are 45. Now again 3 will be the factor. Here 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15 and 2 as it is. Next 2 will be the factor, 1 5 as it is 1. Next is 5. So proceed in this method till you will get the remaining number 1 1 1. Divide all the numbers to get remaining numbers 1 1 1. Now multiply all the factors for finding the LCM. 2 2 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 5, and after multiply you will get the answer 720. 720 is your answer. That is LCM of least common multiple of 72, 90 and 48. So students, now the next topic is relationship between LCM, SCF and the numbers. The last topic of this chapter is relationship between LCM, SCF and the numbers. Students, the working rule is LCM multiply SCF equals to product of two numbers. I will apply this formula to find out a sum. Now I am going to apply this formula to find SCF in the given statement. The statement is the LCM of 609 and 783 is 5481 and find their SCF. Students, to calculate this SCF, we have to apply this formula. LCM multiply SCF equals to product of two numbers. Students, in the given statement, the numbers are given to you. These two numbers are given to you. 609 and 783 is the numbers. And their LCM is given as 5481 and we have to find out their SCF. Now, find the formula of SCF from this formula. SCF equals to product of two numbers over LCM. This LCM will go in the denominator of this number, these product of two numbers. Now fill the values. Product of two numbers means numbers are 609 multiply 783, and what is the LCM? 5481, that is given in this statement. Students, there are two methods to find the LCM here, LCF here. Firstly, multiply these two numbers with each other and divide that answer with 5481. And the second method is cutting method. You have done cutting method in 4th standard. How to cut the terms? You will cut a denominator and numerator with each other that have common factors. Here 609 and 5481 have common factors. How? Students, there is 3 common factor between 609 and 5481. These numbers will not be divisible by 2 because here 1 space dz is 9 and here 1 space dz is 1. These are not divisible by 2, but these are divisible by 3. How? You know the divisibility by 3. If the sum of digits is divisible by 3, that number will be divisible by 3. Here the sum of digits is 9 plus 6 is 15. That means sum of digits is 15, that is divisible by 3. So these numbers here 9 plus 9 18, that is also divisible by 3. So these two numbers are divisible by 3, and after dividing with 3 you will get 203 and here 1827. Again cut these two terms because these two terms are divisible by 3. How? 8 plus 7 15 plus 3 18. This number has some 18, that is divisible by 3, and here 9 plus 9 18. This number has some 18, that is divisible by 3. So cut on the table of 3, and after cutting you will get 261, and here after cutting you will get 609. Again cut these two terms with each other, 203 and 609. 203, when you will multiply 203 with 3, you will get 609. Now the remaining numbers are 261 as a numerator and 3 as a denominator. Now divide 261 with 3. You can also apply cutting method here. 3 ones are 3. Here on the table of 8, here 24, 2, 1, 21, 7. So 87 is the answer. So your SCF equals to 87. Thank you, students.